Alright. You're going to need a flathead and a Phillips head. Pry these little doors off here. You got Phillips head screws in here. Okay, and then you take it, pull it out like that. Alright, push the clip in, pull it out, and then this, you turn it counterclockwise. There's the bulb. Burnt. Here's the new bulb. You don't want to touch them with your fingers. You get the oil on your fingers on the bulb. Just pop that bad boy in there like that. Stick it back in, turn it clockwise. Put your plug back on and assemble. And then replace the 2 screws. Place the little tabs. And you're done.